Alright, welcome back, and we are now going to give you the answer to this graph. So when you try, you're going to try x plus 1, x minus 1, x plus 2, x minus 2, etc. You'll find that none of them is going to give you a factor. So first thing is we can find the y-intercept. The y-intercept, c is equal to 7. In other words, that first ordered page 07. Number 2, x-intercepts, we cannot find them. We just leave it blank. We can't find them. Because if you try any one of those, you'll find you'll always get a remainder. So you cannot carry on till the cows come home. So there is no factor for this one. So you just forget about the x-intercepts. Then straight away you'll move on to number 3, finding the derivative. So the derivative y prime is equal to negative 6x squared plus 30x minus 36. Now you must make it equal to 0. Minus 6x squared plus 30x minus 36 is equal to 0. You can divide by 6 throughout, by negative 6. Divide by negative 6 throughout to make your life easy. So this will become x squared minus 5x, x squared minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. And this will factorize nicely. That will give you x minus 6, x plus 1, x is equal to 6, or x is equal to negative 1. Now you want to find the, when x is equal to negative 1, y is equal to, put in the original, so it will be minus 2 into negative 1 cubed plus 15 into negative 1 squared minus 36 into negative 1 plus 7. And let's see, that will give you a final answer of let us see, let me just try and see what answer we get. Let's go back here. X is negative 1. If I divide this, negative 6x plus 30x minus 36 equal to 0, divide by negative 6, that will give you x squared, that will give you negative 5x, and that will give you plus 6. So this is negative. Oh, good, there's a mistake here in the factorization. Sorry, there's a mistake in the factorization. So this is actually minus 3 minus 2. The factorization was incorrect. Always test your factorization. X times x is x squared, minus 3x, minus 2x will give you minus 5x, minus 3 times minus 2 will give you plus 6. So x is actually 3 and x is actually 2. Alright, so because we are used, we can just sense the mistake, but you must always check your work. And so this is supposed to be 3, 3 and 3. So when you put that in the calculator, you will get the answer. Let's see, I don't even know what's the answer. Let's see, let's put it in the calculator. Minus 2 times 3 cubed plus 15 times 3 squared minus 36 times 3 plus 7 is equal to, something's gone wrong, let's double check this now, minus 2 times 3 cubed times 3 cubed minus 2 times 3 cubed plus 15 times 3 squared minus 36 times 3 plus 7 is equal to negative 20. So you get negative 20. So this ordered pair is actually negative, sorry, this is 3, eh? So this is not. So this is 3 and negative 20. 3 and negative 20. And then when x is 2, y is equal to negative 2 into 2 cubed plus 15 into 2 squared minus 36 into 2 plus 7, and let's just put that in the calculator and see what we get. So it's negative 2 times 2 cubed plus 15 times 2 squared minus 36 times 2 plus 7 is equal to, and we get minus 21. We'll just double check this. We'll just double check. Minus 2 times 2 cubed minus 2 times 2 cubed plus 15 times 4 minus 36 times 2 plus 7. Yes, so this is right. So the next ordered pair is 2 and minus 21. Alright, so now we've got the turning points. Now again, because this is negative, we know the graph is going this way. So the one on the left will be a minimum, the one on the right will be a maximum. So we know the graph is going like that. Now if you take the two ordered pairs 2 and 3, this one is on the left and this one is on the right. This one is on the left. This one will be for 2. 2, negative 21. And this one will be for the one on the right, 3, negative 20. So we are now ready to draw the graph. So I'll just draw the graph here. We're going to do a rough sketch. There's 0, there's your y, there's your x. And because the number in front of x cubed was negative, we know the graph is going to go that shape. Alright, so let's see. What is the y-intercept? It is 7. So the y-intercept is somewhere here. And it is 7. We don't know the x-intercept, so forget about it. Then we plot the points. 3 and negative 20. So let's say 1 is here, 2 is here, 3 is here. 1, 2, 3. 3 and let's say negative 20 is there. Then the next one is 2 and negative 21. So 2 is here and let's say negative 21. So it's here. Now at 2 the graph goes this way. At 221 the graph goes this way. So it goes this way. At 3 the graph goes the other way. It goes the other way. So if I draw this graph, now from here it must go up to 7 and out there. Then from here it must go and join that there. Then it will turn there and it will go down that way. And this is the graph of y is equal to negative 2x cubed plus 15x squared minus 36x plus 7. So we hope you've got an idea on how to sketch these graphs, and we will stop there, and we hope that you have some idea on how to sketch graphs. And remember that this example demonstrates to you that you will not always be able to find the x-intercepts. So you will try You might get a little frustrated, but you will not find it sometimes. Then you just carry on with this, find the turning points, plot them, and proceed. Alright, so we'll give you a few seconds to have a look at that, and with that we will come to the end of this DVD on how to draw cubic functions. We hope you have learnt how to draw cubic functions. Well, good luck and goodbye, and may you do well in your studies.